Today on G Reviews, I show you how to replace these old windshield wipers. Stay tuned. Got some old windshield wipers here. They're not really cleaning the windshield as well as they used to, and I'm going to show you again today how to replace them. The first step you got to do is make sure you get the windshield wipers in the correct position. So they have to be up, because right now the hood, you can't lift them up enough to actually take them off in this position, so you have to make them go up the windshield. All right guys, so what you want to do to get the windshield wipers in the up position is go ahead and turn the ignition to the accessory position, and then what I want you to do is push up on the stock twice in quick succession, and that'll leave the wipers up. See that? See how they stopped? I'll do it again. All right, so if you just go 1, 2, they'll stop. So there you go. So now they're in the up position, ready to replace. So really you can get any type of replacement. I just happen to get these Aslam windshield wipers. They came in a package. They're called Type G, 26 and 17 inch for the Q50. Specifically, you got a 26 inch over here and a 17 inch on the other side. These just happen to be one of the best prices on Amazon. Plus they actually come with replacement blades. So actually this is almost like a 4-pack, but as you can see, you have the windshield wipers themselves, and then you also have replacement rubber as well. So that's really nice. All right, so all we got to do with these particular blades, again, these things are pretty worn out. What we want to do is there's a little tab back here. We push on this little tab really hard and then pull down. Okay, so that's all we got. So we took that one off. Put that one to the side, and obviously this is the larger one, so we'll take the larger one out of the package. It's probably gonna go crazy when there we go, when I take it out. All right, so with this one, this is pretty standard in terms of the actual little mechanism here, but all we have is this little tab. So you pull up this tab, we want to slide. See this little hook, it's going to go right in there around that. So slide it in there, pull up. All right, so you can have a distinct little click, but you can see that the little tab here should be able to fit perfectly in there, and that's it. And there you go. So there's your new wiper on this side. So go ahead and put that down, and we'll repeat the process on the 17 inch. All right, so now we're gonna try the same process on this one. So again, similar process. There's a tab back here. Push down on the tab. This comes right off. Very easy. Put that to the side. All right, and then this one, same thing. So you have this little tab here. Pull the tab up. Just gonna stick this in here like so. Right, until it gets to that position. And then we're gonna put this tab down, and that's it, guys. That is a full windshield wiper replacement on the Infiniti Q50. If you have any questions, let me know. These guys should work a lot better than the current old ones, so we'll test it out and I'll let you know. Thanks for watching G Reviews. If you guys like any of this content, please like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll do more how-to videos as well. Take care, guys.